this underbed storage for an east-west to west brand.
Well, if you have any questions, feel free to ask.
This is a Model 25 KRB travel trailer. Got a booth dinette, TV above the booth, have your standard kitchen, oven, stove. Got one of those like ranch style, one sink, microwave, average large gas electric, Dometic refrigerator, dark wood in this particular one, and then we have our rear bath with our shower, our cabinetry, toilets, and our sink, and quite a bit of countertop with some cabinets above the countertop. By special for the 2019 Cleveland RV Show. And then we have the bedroom up front. Looks almost like a cool king size. Yep, king size mattress. Carpeting on the sides of the beside the bed. Got some hanging closet. But for weekending or seasonal camping, this would be fine. You got this couch. You wouldn't want to spend a week of rain in this, but this would be fine for just going away for a week and traveling, or like I said, weekend camping.